Eight Nights of Hanukkah, written by Teacher Brenda, for Cefr level A2. It was the night before the 8 nights of Hanukkah. Families were getting ready for the holiday all over the world. The next evening, our family gathered together. The Festival of Lights began right after sundown. Our menorah was set out by the window. It is a gift given to us from Aunt Blair. Dad wore his yarmulke. He lit the candle after we prayed. The flames flickered and lit our faces with light. We danced and sang while the candles burned bright. We opened our gifts. Oh, wow! My brother got a ball, I see. I unwrapped my gift, and it was a beautiful doll for me. The next night, we played with the dreidel. A dreidel is a top with 4 Hebrew letters, Nun, He, Gimel, and Shin. We tossed the chocolate coin called a gelt. We have to unwrap it and eat it very fast or it may melt. On the 3rd night of Hanukkah, Dad told us stories of the Jewish heroes and called them by name. It was a story about the menorah lamp that had very little oil and should only burn for one night. The miracle happened and it lasted all 8 nights, shining bright. On the 4th night, we ate latkes, which are deep-fried potato pancakes. On the 5th night, we ate donuts made by Uncle Jake. On the 6th night, we visited our cousins. On the 7th night, we brought presents for others and ate lots of food. On the 8th night and last night, we were short one candle. On the 8th and last night, we were one candle short. I ran to my bedroom and got my birthday candle. I saved the night and lit the last candle. The end.